Guys, we are going to be making oatmeal smoothies. Very easy to make, very delicious, and very extremely nutritious. So let's get into making this shake. But please remember to subscribe, click on that red button, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hello guys, good morning. Yes, it's Sunday morning. Yes, today I'll be sharing with you how I make one of my most favorite healthy breakfasts, which is oats. Yes, I'm going to be making some oat smoothies. So all you need to make this smoothie is, I'm making for one person, which is, this is 1/4 cup of oats. And you want to soak it in warm water or hot water. So I'm going to pour some hot water here just to soften it a little bit. While we're waiting for that to soften up a little bit, I love using green apple. Yeah, this is 1/4 apple. And I love it green. I love the sour taste of green apple. I'm going to dunk it in here. I will also be using banana. One small banana or half big banana. So cut it up. Put it in here. I also love using cinnamon. Cinnamon will help to balance your blood sugar, stabilize your blood sugar if you have diabetes or if you have excessive high sugar. Yes, so if you have low blood sugar, you don't need to put cinnamon. So half teaspoon of cinnamon. And I will add 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Usually I love to do this with dates. If you have dates, you might want to try it with date, but because I don't have date, I am using honey. You can also use stevia. And now I am putting this, now you're gonna put the oat in here. You want to blend. So the smoothie is ready. It doesn't take time to make. And you're going to transfer this into your bowl. Yummy. So this is one of the most amazing breakfasts that you want to try. It's so good, it's so healthy, it's very, very easy to make. So thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video.